Guys, this is Pickles. He was found in the neighbor's crawl space in the air ducts, and he'd been in there for about 33 days, and he's very sick, and he's very dehydrated, and I'm called the vet. I'm waiting to hear back from him. If you could pray for him, we'd really appreciate it. And he was a stray I was feeding. I found in the drain pipe that runs along the road, and I started feeding him, and he's so sweet, and I was trying to save his life, and now he's not doing very well. You could please say a prayer for him. I'd appreciate it. He's a very sweet boy. Thank you, guys. Pickles needs your prayers. God bless. And have a good day.